Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be understanding what do you mean by command line arguments and how to pass that with the program and how to get the output. Initially, let us understand what do you mean by a command line argument. A command line arguments are passed after the name of the program in command line operating system like DOS or Linux and are passed into the program from the operating system. Command line arguments are useful for passing input to script at runtime, which has its own advantages. So bash saves these variables numerically as $1, $2 and so on. Here the first command line argument in our shell script is $1. Similarly, the second one is $2 and goes on. This goes on till the ninth argument. The variable $0 stores the name of the script or the command itself. The special character $# stores the total number of arguments. We have $@ symbol and $* as wildcard characters which are used to denote all the arguments. We use $$ to find the process ID of the current shell script, while $? can be used to print the exit code for our script. So now we shall have an example to demonstrate command line arguments. So we are going to write the shell script to accept 3 command line arguments and display each one of them. So initially we are going to start with the program with the for loop. We can declare or start the program while declaring for I is in the command line arguments, that is $@ and do what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to print all the arguments one by one that we have passed through command line. So echo argument $I will have the for arguments that is iteratively traversed and done. Now we shall compile the program and execute using Alt Control T. So now we have got all the list of arguments that we have passed. And here what happens is we are not able to know the argument number. To get the argument number, we shall declare a variable j and initialize that to be as 1 initially. And in coming inside the for loop, we shall increment the value of j by 1 for each and every iteration. And we shall put the argument number for every iteration to be as $j, which is going to get incremented. And now once we execute, we are able to get the number of the argument which we have displayed. And now we shall display the process ID. To display process ID, the command given will be echo process ID is equal to, here to get the process ID we are supposed to pass the variable to be as $& and $. So once we compile, now we are able to get the process ID. This process ID keeps on changing once we execute the program. With the next execution, the process ID is going to change. And now we shall print the total number of arguments passed in the command line. To display that, echo total number of arguments is equal to $#. Instead of characters, we shall change it to be as So now we have got the total number of characters and the process ID from the previous, it has got changed.